World is in a huge loss after the great pandemic rolling out this year. Everything turned into chaos and it is frightening to see the outcomes. But in the meanwhile, we are still hoping for the corona vaccine that might magically eradicate this newborn disease. So what if we get the vaccine of coronavirus today? What will it be look like? Will it save our world for this pandemic? Let's find out in the video cause you're watching Rebound Box. Every 100 years, humanity has seen a drastic and deadly disease that sees humanity to some point. Coronavirus has gone up to one more point due to the globalization of the world. The transmission of the disease can fly many miles in a matter of an hour. And we have already seen that in many countries, the countries which does not belong to any Wuhan outbreak. WHO clearly states our situation will be worse until or unless a good looking vaccine comes out. We either has to live with the virus or develop a vaccine. Many institutes, the top-notch institute, are working on it all around the world, but it is less likely that it will happen anytime soon. But just for an assumption, let's imagine what happens if we have a vaccine. First of all, if we develop a successful vaccine, it will test it out to some 100 people, which might take few weeks. Afterwards, the vaccine would be globally exported by the country that developed it. In a political way, an upper hand in NATO and UN. This might lead to a formation of newly superpower. Due to the breakdown of many superpower countries economically and statistically, this new superpower could sell all the vaccine to other countries in billions. That will let them establish a better hold in world's economy, leading to rise of a superpower. This country can be anything from South Korea, which excel in medical unit, or India, which produce medicines in masses. Later, after the successful distribution of the vaccine, it might take another 3 months to vaccinate already infectious persons. Suddenly, the cases everywhere started to drop until to a point where the cases last in hundreds. To protect the upcoming infections for newborn or any travelers, the vaccine will be given to every newborn baby. Traveling from one country to another country will be another pain in the ass, as all the country will be superly cautious and perform screening at the airport. You might need to take a vaccine of coronavirus before issuing any visa. You might even have to give reports on every arrival or departure with a proper body diagnosis. But in a usual day-to-day life, the world starts to get normal day by day. You might expect lesser in mass people, and interacting with your best friend will be fun like before. There will be lesser and lesser people who will die of hunger. The world will start to melt like before, the plastics will be thrown again in the sea, and crimes will rise again like a hidden puppet. In this all vaccine curing world, it should contemplate us whether our normal day life is really normal to our planet. Maybe the planet or the world is a better place with less crime and less human interaction this way. We definitely are not the virus, but we are eventually killing the spirit of our planet and the humanity. So don't forget to comment us out whether this world or the old world is better. Until then, we will come back with another what if in our next video. This is Shan and I love presenting you this video. Signing out.